It's recording?
Yep.
Okay. So, Daniel, my nigga. Look. What? No, why are you
I'm making
putting
it
on you? The fuck? Anyway. Alright, the other day, when those niggas ran up on you, it wasn't my fault. Because you were running your mouth about me. And I just pointed it out. And then they kind of got mad. And then they did something about it. But I didn't mean to do that. So, therefore, I'm sorry in a way. But it happened. So, life goes on. There you go. That's all I gotta say. There you go, Marisol.
Hi, you asshole.
Alright, hello.
I don't really have anything to say. Besides that,
What?
you're gone, and it's really weird in his class. So yeah, I'm gonna go. Hold on.
Cause I made a video for somebody. Oh, okay. Marisol like,
You're
I
in
did
the-
this and Instagram will make you video, and this guy liked it.
Okay, bye.
And the other day, well, he